Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh lauds role of Manipur Terriers in bridging gap between the people and army on the 66th Territorial Army Day. Several Manipur political leaders condemn opening of new NSA and IM camps and recruitment of new cadres after signing of peace accord. And Chief Secretary urges all departments to work with sincerity, says contract employees are not getting their due rights. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Evening News. I am Tensubam Ranita with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today lauded the role of the Manipur Terriers in bridging the gap between the people and the Indian Army. Speaking at the 60th Territorial Army Day at the 1st Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall today, Okram Ibobi Singh said since its deployment in the state in February 2007, 165 Territorial Army Battalion, also called Manipur Terriers, has become an inseparable part of the security setup of the state. He maintained that it has been performing its task of being an interface between the local populace and the army and Assam Rifle units with distinction. Territorial Army is an organization of volunteers who receive military training for a few days in a year so that in case of emergency, they can be mobilized for the defense of the country. The organization was formally inaugurated by C. Rajagopalachari, the first Governor General of Free India, on October 9, 1949. Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose were associated with it. Kapil Dev, Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni are among those who are associated with the organization. State PhD Minister I. Hemochandra, Chief Secretary, DGP, GOC 57 Mountain Division, officiating commanding officer of 165 Infantry Battalion were among those who participated in the celebration of the day.
165 Territorial Army Battalion, also called Manipuri Terriers, since its deployment in state in February, sometimes way back in 2007, has become an inseparable part of the security setup of the state of Manipur. It has been performing its tasks of being an interface between the local populace and Army and Assam Rifle units with distinction. I am given to understand that it is a large unit with a strength over 1,000 and its 8 companies are spread over the entire state of Manipur under 57 Mountain Division.
State Chief Information Commissioner T.H. Ibobi Singh today said public authorities must impart information to public even if somebody does not file an RTI. T.H. Ibobi Singh today spoke to media persons in connection with the RTI week at State Guest House, Sanjinthong. He said RTI Act is an important act which can help in bringing a good governance if it is used in the right way. He further said public should know the act thoroughly so that people can have a government which has accountability, credibility and which is scam-free. T.H. Ibobi Singh cautioned that the RTI Act should not be used in a wrong way by the public.
Whatever is the benefit that can actually be taken by each and every citizen and each and every public authority, civil society organization should actually reach the needy persons. For the convenience of the citizen and also the civil society organization who will be seeking information from the public authorities, many of the public authorities are also not aware of their own duties and responsibilities. Public authorities, government departments, that they should have voluntary disclosure, it should be updated on a regular basis. RTI applications are to be disposed of no as per provisions of the Act, which people have not been doing so far. Please make use of this beautiful Act, which empowers the citizen to get the information from the public organizations or authorities.
Veteran politician and former Minister Okram Joy and leaders of several political parties have strongly condemned the opening of new NSA and IM camps. They also maintain that it is a wrong step on the part of NSA and IM to open new camps and recruit new cadres in Manipur after signing the Naga Peace Accord with the Government of India on August 3 this year. Speaking exclusively to Impact News in connection with the news report appeared in the national daily The Hindu on October 7 that new camps were opened and around 400 cadres were recruited in Manipur, Ojoi said taking advantage in the name of peace accord is not the right step. He maintained that the accord was signed in order to maintain law and order. As per the ground rule, no NSNIM camps can be opened in Manipur. Joy said it is objectionable that they are carrying out looting and smuggling of drugs and weapons as per the news report. The Hindu also reported that such development will lead to unwanted developments in the hills of Manipur. Sangay Express, a local daily, also carried the news report of the Hindu on 8th October.
Designated camp Manipur link bada ngasai ada tawgiba jun gi kunmatri tawgiba agreement do it is not permissible by the ground rule. It is wrong. Law and order phagal hanabagi shanti gi mamingda madu khudong chaba lawdana laloba ornai tawi hairagati hujik tawnari ba shanti gi accord to artha leitabo erakani sabchana madu it is quite unfortunate. Hariba mi sangwa chaturom recruitore Arunachal Pradesh ta sida hairi singje whether this report is actually a fact, how far it is genuine, how far it is correct, it is to be verified and it should be replied and it should be responded by the government concerned. Darkar lady ngasi authority na government concern abaro sarkar na khungba.
President of Manipur People's Party and Soha Kiran said the Nagaland Governor P.B. Acharya's assertion that around 4,000 cadres of NSNIM will be recruited in the Indian Army has emboldened the NSNIM leadership to recruit more cadres on the promise of getting salary. Lien Gangte, Secretary General of Janata Dal United Manipur, said if the news report turns out to be true, then it should be condemned in the strongest term. He asked why the state government failed to critically analyze and study the situation as it might create instability and misunderstanding among various ethnic groups in Manipur.
Manipur Sarkar da leba minister oisunu any officer oisunu hek thola kan da hek toba hindsight leba aduna Manipur Sarkar da sigumba yamna natai chadaba NSNIM ga India government gi marak tawnari ba peace accord sina yamna akai ba se thola kadaba se amta munna yenghaningi sigumba khabar da report toba singje phajana yengchen biu sigi se Manipur kai dana ba thorang teubiu hai ba se MPP gi site gi haijari
Cadre Singdo anova recruit toba haiba asidi after signing of a framework asidi to from thok tabra hain khoi khali Manipur government is tasengna hairi ba pot ase chumamba ka taragadi moigi khoi gi naton makha da leiri ba adugumba khoi gi police forcing aduga khoi intelligence sing asi kari khangbi dabra aduga asigumba gi pot mase lei hairagadi they have to act swiftly to ensure that asigumba pot se thoaga karigumba ate issue mada Manipur da turmoil lakadoba masidi khoi pamjade.
The executive members of BJP Manipur Pradesh today held a meeting at Sangay Hall, Imphal Hotel. The meeting was held in view of Manipur Assembly elections to be held in 2017 to discuss ways to strengthen the party ahead of the elections. The meeting was held on the theme Freedom from Congress for a New Manipur and attended by state and national leaders. Lok Sabha MP and Parliamentary Affairs Chairman Fagan Singh Kulaste asked the party members to start work at their respective mandals ahead of the elections. Chief Secretary Oinam Navakishore has maintained that the problems faced by work charge, muster roll and casual employees of the state is due to the injustice meted out to them. Speaking in connection with the reception ceremony hosted for him by JSC of MGO and Amatuk at his Babupara office today, Navakishore said the government has from time to time considered the problems of JSC. It is very unfortunate that contract employees are not getting their dues, rights and benefits. He appealed to every department to work sincerely and transparently and work in close coordination between various departments. He further urged the employees not to keep pending works. The Chief Secretary also disclosed that the state government is planning to construct Imphal Ring Road and Imphal Kangchup Tamenlong Road at the world-class standard. Earlier, JSC submitted a memorandum to the Chief Secretary. The JSC urged him to look into the problems and grievances of muster roll, casual and work charge employees who have been working for more than 20 years. It also urged him appoint regular employees instead of contract employees in some departments.
Contract employees contract employees regular employee amana to chap mana to java aduga mai tolop tadi matik chana phangdaba masisu yamna masik injustice ama oi hana haibada haiman batho oi mokoi busu regular oina sab chana tolop pina pihan bai basi tawham thokpune na haina akhoi khanjai masi adubun tawbudi government ki policy ni ko ada aigi side gi di masigi wafam se lakwa matam da yamna sympathetically khana jagani amsung support tawjagani ana ju haijaningi.
World Post Day was celebrated in Manipur as celebrated across the world. As part of the celebration, National Postal Week celebrations kicked off today to create awareness about the role of postal sector in the lives of people and its contribution to social and economic development. The day was celebrated at Imphal Post Office, which is the headquarters of Manipur Postal Division. Manipur Postal Division Director Vinod Kumar appealed to public to avail the services of Post Office. During the inauguration of National Postal Week, Director Vinod Kumar and Imphal Post Office staff demonstrated in front of school students how letters are sent. As part of the celebration, saplings were planted by Director Vinod Kumar at Imphal Post Office complex. He also attended Post Forum meeting held for better relations with Post Office staff and public. Addressing media persons, Vinod Kumar said, Post Office is not only for sending letters. He said one can avail the facility of saving bank, insurance policy, among others. Administrative block of some private schools in Imphal were closed from today by Joint Students Coordinating Committee for going against the appeal of JSCC and all Manipur recognized Private Schools Welfare Association to take only 30% of school fees and 50% for van fares for the 2 months of ILPS agitation. A team of JSCC visited and checked the school fees and van fares in Imphal areas today and found that some schools are taking tuition fees and van fares even though they remain closed for 2 months. The schools which were closed from today are Shishu Nishtha Niketan, R.K. Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya, North Point Higher Secondary School, Maria Montessori and Heritage Convent. The JSCC maintained that there is no reason to take school fee and van fares for the 2 months as no classes were held at all. The committee will also conduct further checking and drive at other schools from tomorrow to find out whether they are taking less fees and van fares. JSCC convener Jayant Kumar Khuman said befitting action will be taken against those schools which are not following the appeal of JSCC and all Manipur Private Schools Welfare Association.
अखोने यानखिबा परसेंटेज सिंग हाइबदी स्कूल की मंथली फी अंगांग साइड की मंथली फी 30% थीबा ओजाजिंग की मंथली फी ना 50% पीबीयू बैंक की फी ना 50% पीबीयू हाइबगी यानखिबा अखोगी परसेंटेज सिंग अदु स्कूल सिंगना इनबिरेक्टबदगी अखोई ngasi की खोंजंग ngasi संगसलकपनी मसी की पोट लसी मखाताना सुम चथदुन लेरगदी अखोने जेएससी ना मसी की खोंजंग ngasi हाइब स्कूल सिंगसिदा संगसलकनी.
R.K. Maipaksana Memorial Trust will give R.K. Maipaksana Fellowship Award 2015 to Poknabham columnist Daniel Chabungbam. It will be presented on the 91st birth anniversary of R.K. Maipaksana on October 11 at Lamyanba Sanglane. Dr. Lokendra Arabam will speak on reflection on the contemporary crisis of the indigenous people of Manipur on the day. JNM students are celebrating the College Week Rhythm 2015 and students are competing in various sports and cultural events. In a football match, Loktak team beat Zuko team 2-1 today. Thangjalal and Zanpu scored the goals for Loktak while the lone goal for Zuko was netted by Simitang Hokip. The 5-day celebration, which was kicked off on the 5th of this month, is hosted by JNM Students Union. Maring Students Union in a press release appealed to the state and district health authorities to take measures to prevent dengue outbreak in the state. JSC against the life attempt of Arambam Anil Kumar and his wife in a press meet said they will forgive the people involved in the destruction of house and a Mahindra Scorpio of Arambam Anil Kumar at Lamdeng confessed and asked for forgiveness through media. Convener of the JSC, Nongthongbam Ashok Kumar said, Chungham Boboi, who is involved in the incident and who is currently in police custody, has confessed and said others were also involved in it. He asked Lamsam Makhale Kai Women Development Association to find the reason why Arambam Anil Kumar fired live rounds. He also said the case would be closed if the people involved in the case ask for forgiveness and pay half the price of the demolished items as compensation.
Hariba moi accused singsina akhoi lale akhoi na sumain tawdana lana lamjing duna lekai miambu lamna langjing dana akhoi na mob justice ton gre aduga akhoi na sum hariba si Anil Kumar mu sumaki mu manung mi da akhoi na hana khut thabni haina media da akhoi sum se amuna tawraroi haina lale haijaba moi lamdim dugi lekai miam da adu da natna akhoi mang hiba property 50% accused moi involved to be kaung dana singadamni 50% akhoi nu pothokani.
2 mobile courts will be held in Imphal East District on the 10th of this month as part of the National Lok Adalat. Cases relating to Motor Vehicle Act, offences relating to Motor Vehicle Act will be dealt at the mobile court. Proscribed Pre-Park celebrated its 38th Racing Day. According to a press release by the outfit, the Racing Day was held at Central Headquarters, General Headquarters, Tactical Headquarters, Base Areas, Transit Camp and Training Centers. Kangla Sempung, an annual journal published by Department of Publicity and Propaganda of the outfit, was also released on the occasion in the presence of Acting Chairman and Defence Secretary. The party also thanked those who greeted the party on the occasion of its 38th Racing Day. NT Theatre Manipur's play Mangsat has been selected for the performance in the 8th Purvotar Natya Samaroh 2015 to be held in Agartala, Tripura from the 1st to 10th of November. The festival is organized by National School of Drama, New Delhi. The play will also be performed in the opening of Asian Theatre Festival, which will be held as part of the Shanghai Festival 2015. Cultural Promotion Center CPC Khongjom yesterday organized the first Pungyam Yeiba Festival at Khongjom Laibung. MLA Pongnam Brojen Singh, Parishad members and several people of the area took part in the festival. Nearly 20 Pung artists performed at the Pungyam Yeiba Festival under the guidance of Soibam Bokul Singh and Ningthojam Angang Singh. MB Kala Sangit Sangam Vidyalaya, Wabgai today made offerings in honor of late gurus who made immense contributions in various forms of arts in Manipur. The function was held at Wabgai Yangbi Community Hall from 1 in the afternoon. Now the sports news. Final league match of the Imphal West District 3rd Division Football League tournament was held today. In a league match today, LFC Kangla Tombi dropped BBA Mayang Imphal 5-2. In the final league match, IWSC Khumbong defeated YOC Kudompokpi 2-1. In the knockout stage, Pamyal Patsoi and YWC Langthabal will play for the first and second positions, while WSC Ngairangbam and UPSC Pishun will lock horns for the third and fourth places in the 11th of this month. 12 teams are competing in the tournament organized by Imphal West District Football Association at Malom Tera Kha ground. The prize distribution ceremony will be held on 11th of this month. The State Inter-School Tournament 2015, organized under the aegis of Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, concluded today at the Kulaman Lampak Indoor Stadium today. Imphal East District clinched the title in the Under-17 Girls Volleyball, beating Ukhrul District, while Bishnupur District beat Imphal East District in the final of Boys Under-17. In the Under-17 Girls Handball final, Thoubal District defeated Bishnupur District, while Imphal East District claimed the title in the Boys Under-17 Handball final, beating Thoubal District. Dr. R.K. Nimai, Consultant to Governor of Manipur, R.K. Dinesh, Secretary, YAS, and Director, YAS, W. Bhaktaraj were also present in the closing function. Sai R.C. Takiel will clash MPSC Imphal in the men's final, while Sai R.C. Takiel will play Ukal Uripok in the women's final of the 63rd Late L. Indrajit Singh Memorial Senior Men's and Women's State Level Kabaddi Championship tomorrow. In the semi-final matches played today, Sai R.C. Takiel beat SCEO Khangabok 56-16, while MPSC Imphal beat Veto Lapupat Tera 31-23 in the men's category to enter in the final. The tournament is organized by Manipur State Kabaddi Association at Sai NERC Takiel. First state-level Thao Open Cash Prize Plastic Shuttle Badminton Tournament 2015 will begin from October 18 at Thao Sports Complex. Interested players can get the forms from Thao office and submit before October 16. It rained goals at the Junior Girls National Football Championship in Goa as Manipur humiliated Pondicherry 20-1 in Group A second league match played today. Manipuri players Kashmira scored 8 goals, Ratanbala 6 goals, Daya 3 goals, Ranjana 2 goals and Hemolata 1 goal. As Punjab, a team in Group A, withdrew from the championship, Manipur and Pondicherry played in double-leg basis. With today's win, Manipur have entered the quarterfinals. 10th Manipur State League Tournament organized by All Manipur Football Association under the aegis of Khumukcham Ingokcha Memorial Trust at Imphal Polo Ground has been postponed due to bad weather. Aku Thangmaiban Kangkhut today won a league match in the ongoing 60th Sir Chorachan Singh Ji KCSI CBE League Cum Knockout Open Kang Tournament. Aku Thangmaiban Kangkhut defeated Gopal Devi High School Kangkhut 2017. 13 Kangkhuts are competing in the tournament organized by Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Development Kang Association under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association. The tournament kicked off on September 27 at Ibudho Moirang Pokpa Sanglen, Laiprakpham Laikai Kawa. Tomorrow, KKCO Ilangbam Laikai Kangkhut will take on Ibudho Wangbrem Khana Chauba Kangkhut B in a league match. The semi-final matches of the first W. Ibohal Singh ex-MLA and second late W. Pisak Singh Memorial Under-13 and Under-15 Boys 7A side football tournament will be played tomorrow. In the last league match of the Under-15 Boys, SWC Wangoi Top Sipai beat Oilawa Poramport Thawan Thaba 3-2 in the break. The tournament is organized by Unemployment Youth Learners Association Porampal Thawan Thaba Imphal East. Thaudam Suraj Kumar, silver medalist in the Asian Bench Press Powerlifting Championship, was felicitated today at Thangmaiban. Representing India, Suraj Kumar won silver in the sub-junior boys 66 kg bench press category. The championship was held from October 1 to 6 at Muscat, capital of Oman. 11 players, including 2 Manipuri players, C.H. Jaya Lakshmi Chanu and Thaudam Suraj Kumar, represented India. Suraj Kumar is the son of Thaudam Shanti Kumar and Thaudam Subadani of Thangmaiban Hijam Diwan Lekai. Phoilo Club Thangmaiban today felicitated the player and wished him luck to win more medals in future. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibovi Singh lauded role of Manipur Terriers in bridging gap between the people and army on the 66th Territorial Army Day. Several Manipur political leaders condemn opening of new NSC and IM camps and recruitment of new cadres after signing of peace accord. And Chief Secretary urges all departments to work with sincerity, says contract employees are not getting the due rights.